This morning, a closer look at how hackers, they're sneaking into your personal and your work data and those ways that you can stop them. So let's welcome in Josh Cochran with Diverse CTI, a tech support and solutions provider here in town. Josh, thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me. Really good to be with you.
This is a problem.
It really is.
This is terrible. Okay,
Yeah.
so what you're saying is around this time of year, we start to see these type of cyber scams kind of ramp up during the holiday season.
It's crazy, and the statistics speak for themselves. It's something like 1 out of 3 Americans will fall for online fraud in the holiday season. So that really goes from, Thanksgiving and November all the way through to January. You've got New Year's and all that, and people are online. Their mindset is a lot different, so that's one of the things that we really need to be vigilant on. Is we tend to relax during the holidays because you're just not thinking about it. You're going to go be with your friends, you're going to be with your family, and you're thinking about what gifts you want to buy them to show your appreciation and so forth, and so you're just not in that mindset of looking out for an online scam.
And talking about the increase in these number of scams, you would say that's the reason why, because we become so relaxed and we're seeing ourselves going online to buy these gifts for our loved ones. That's why?
Absolutely, yeah. Just our habit, right? It's the holidays, and so our shopping definitely escalates. It ramps up. We're buying more stuff than we have before. So the chances just from right there. And if you're a scammer, if you're a hacker, like you've got more people online than ever before, of course you're going to ramp up your attempts to try to steal and scam and steal people's money.
Let's talk about the schemes, because what are some common schemes that are out there right now?
Yeah. So, one of the biggest ones that I really wish people would be aware of is really people coming after your life savings. Okay, you've got the online scams and things like that, but the cool thing about your credit cards and your name brand stuff like Amazon, there are a lot of fraud protection built into that. So the ones you really need to be aware of are phone calls that you get, and generally it's from a scammer or someone who is trying to let you know that you've been hacked. It's totally made up. You haven't been hacked. But they're coming after your kind of fear mechanism, the scare tactic.
Okay.
When you go into that, then your response is going to be, oh no, and you're going to make decisions way too fast and probably without thinking them through like you really should. So you've got to be aware when somebody's calling you, telling you you've been hacked, slow down, immediately slow down.
We're talking about people's life savings here, so this is serious. If a scammer is successful, what's the impact to the victim? Because again, like you said, these are dollars that they have been building up over a very long time.
Right. Yeah, and that's the sad thing is that the hackers are very experienced at doing this, and the technology that they have at their fingertips, they are going to create fake sites that look exactly like your bank. They look exactly like your wealth management company. So the first thing is if you get contacted by one of these folks, just hang up. Just immediately hang up and go to what I like to call the prime source of information, which is your bank. Just walk in and talk to them. Don't use any information that the person on the phone gave you. Don't use any links that they send you on either text or your email. Don't use any of the information. And the other crazy thing is that because of all the breaches, these hackers and scammers may already have some of your personal information, and they give you that information kind of to try to build credibility. So if I know your bank account number, I'm going to call you and say, your bank account's been hacked. Here's your bank account number. I give you that number, and in your head, oh, how would you know that if you're not the real person? You got to stop. Immediately stop, slow down, and don't take any or use any of the information they give you. And go to the prime first source of the information. That would be like your bank, your own bank statement. Get the phone number off of that. Or go down to your bank or call your wealth advisor that you've got, saved in your phone. Don't use any of the information that a hacker gives you.
So go straight to the source. Do not use any information if you get that from a phone call, a text message.
Yes.
And take it easy, take it slow if you do get anything, okay?
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming on, Josh Cochran. We could talk more about this, I'm sure, but we're going to put some more information up on our website at CNON section of KOCO.com for people who want to know more about these cyber schemes as we get well into the holiday season. Josh, thanks again for coming in.
Absolutely.